This week we're going to be fixing a higher mini fridge. My dad's went out and wasn't cool anymore, and they decided they wanted to throw it away and buy a new one, as opposed to trying to fix it. And y'all know where I stand on that one. It's better to fix than save money. So let's get into it. Thank you. Alright, we have a higher mini fridge, household refrigerator. There's the wiring diagram if anybody needed to see it. Now the problem we was having, this is my dad's mini fridge for where he keeps his hospital room, but the motor wasn't running. It's been running for a while now because I done fixed it. But your problem is generally going to be this relay right here, and it's a real easy fix. It's like, I think I paid $8.50 for this replacement piece, but I already know it's running and fixed. But I'm gonna show you how this works anyway. You got one wire right here. I'm gonna disconnect that. I'll probably wind up taking this whole thing out first. Probably be easier to take the whole thing out. But all you're gonna do is slide it straight out. That's it. Just slide it straight out because there's two prongs that fit in it. You see them right there? Two prongs. They slide. Come here, buddy. Right there in the bottom. Then you're just going to disconnect this, pull this wire off, and replace it, and put it back in. And that's it. It's a real simple fix. They were ready to throw it away, buy a new $100, $200 fridge for an $8.50 part. I'm going to show y'all a good way to tell. Let's see, this is the old one. I don't know if y'all can see it, if y'all need a parts number or whatnot. Let me get this thing to focus. I doubt my phone will focus on it. Focus, focus, buddy. There it goes. Yep, part number. And that's what it looks like. That one wire clips right there. And those two prongs slide in there. That's it. $8.50 is what I paid. But I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it. But listen. Hear how it rattles? That's usually how you can spot it. And all it is a relay. I can't remember the exact name of it. I might post it in the description. But that's it. Replace that. And it's a starter relay. That's what it was. It's a starter relay. So you just replace that. Fires right back up. Real simple. Hope this helps somebody. Thank you.